Hi there, this is the Mi TV 4A 43 inches. Xiaomi has now ventured into smart TVs, and this is a budget smart TV which costs 23,000 Indian rupees. And it has Patchwall OS, which is an Android based OS. And I've been hearing things where you cannot install Play services, you can't install things from the App Store. So we'll see what we can do about that. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and see how the color reproduction is, what's inside the box, and overall overview. Of course, I will be doing a full review next week, so quickly like and subscribe to my channel. This is your friend TechSing. Let's get started. The stands are made of good quality plastic. These are some screws to fix the stand and a basic manual which explains the ports on the back. So let's quickly fix the stands. The ports on the Mi TV 43 are Ethernet, AV composite, SPDIF, USB 2.0, 3 HDMIs, 2 USB 2.0, antenna and 3.5mm audio headphone jack. The 11-button remote is light, extremely small and easy to use. This is an infrared remote, unlike the Mi TV 55-inch, which has a Bluetooth remote. The setup process is simple. Connect to Wi-Fi. Let's have a quick glance at the Patchwall interface. Patchwall has a tile format interface. Instead of showing you apps like most smart TVs do, it shows you the content like movies and TV shows. The interface is quite smooth and easy to navigate. The content is bifurcated by tabs on the top: Home, Movies, TV shows, Kids, Sports, and Music. Xiaomi has tied up with apps like Voot, Sony Live, Hungama, Hotstar. Some of them have paid content. Some have 3 to 6 months of free subscription provided by Xiaomi. As we expect software updates, surely more apps will be added soon. Playing a video from Hungama, and it started almost instantly. The video doesn't seem to be HD, or maybe the internet is slow. I cannot play the audio due to copyright issues, but I can tell you that the 20-watt speakers go extremely loud. The audio quality though is just average, nothing to talk about. On the home page below, you can find the settings, apps and multimedia player. Multimedia player plays your content from the pen drive, gallery, movies, music, you name it and it works. In the settings menu, you can find an option to change your Wi-Fi, change your wallpapers, set up your set-top box, change your language, OS updates, sound and display options. Here's a quick look. To sideload apps, the first step is to allow unknown sources. So don't forget to change this in the security tab. TV Manager displays the storage and free space. Out of the 8 GB, 2 GB is used by the system.
The rest you can use to install apps and data. There are also options to optimize, trash cleanup, install and uninstall apps. TV Guide is basically extracting program guide from your set-top box. Shows you currently playing TV shows and movies in a similar tile format. You can use the Mi TV remote to operate your set-top box, but for that we need a Mi USB IR blaster which has to be bought separately for 195 rupees. More tab will show the third-party apps that you can sideload using an APK file from a pen drive. As you can see, I have already installed a few. Here is a quick demo how to sideload the YouTube app. Download the APK file from the link in the description and copy it to a pen drive. Yes, you will need a laptop for it. Insert the pen drive in any of the USB ports and a pop-up will show up. Choose Open and navigate using the remote on your pen drive folder where you have saved the APK file. Go to the YouTube icon and press the center button on the remote to install. Since I have already installed YouTube, it shows Update. In other cases, it will show Install. Click Open. Okay, I have to say this. Full HD videos are extremely sharp and crisp. Color reproduction is excellent, vibrant and colorful. You cannot get anything better than this in 23 grams. The biggest drawback right now is its availability. Flash sales is a huge roadblock with stocks running out in seconds. Xiaomi needs to work on this before people start choosing other options for lack of availability.
So how's the Mi TV 4A 43 inches? In one sentence, amazing but not perfect. In 23,000, a 43-inch smart TV is a steal anyway. The Patchwall OS, which is Android based, is smart but not smart enough. It doesn't support Google Play services, and because of that we have to sideload apps. And most of the apps don't even work when you don't have Google Play services. Thank God YouTube worked. The good thing is that Patchwall OS will get regular upgrades, so we're looking forward to that. I'll be doing a review of this next week, so quickly subscribe to my channel, like this video. Until next time, cheers.